Ladies and gentlemen, we're just waiting for a few minutes for the grand unveiling. But of course, our distinguished dignitaries are here, so I'm going to have the pleasure of inviting them here. Ladies and gentlemen, it's time for us to welcome our distinguished professional and a social entrepreneur who's renowned for her contributions to Indian handicrafts and women empowerment. She began her career as the Educational Media and Research Center, EMRC at Pune University, working as a media researcher. Ladies and gentlemen, in 1996, she founded Kalakriti, the House of Artifacts and Handicrafts in Ahmedabad, later expanding it to Pune in 2000. And as the president of KCLA, the Kumar City Ladies Association, which is an NGO dedicated to women empowerment, ladies and gentlemen, our very own Mrs. Usha Bajpai, a lovely lady in black, ladies and gentlemen, has tirelessly promoted entrepreneurial opportunities for one and all. Thank you so much for joining us here. Please center stage aa jaye, center mein aa jaye ma'am. Ladies and gentlemen, and through Kalakriti, she provides a platform for artisans to exhibit and sell their work, thus preserving traditional crafts and supporting local economies. Mrs. Bajpai's efforts have been recognized and awarded in various fields, including social welfare, agriculture and women empowerment. इससे पहले कि हम आपको अवार्ड दें, शोभा जी आ रहे हैं, हम आपसे दो शब्द जरूर सुनना चाहेंगे. Ladies and gentlemen, उषा जी के लिए और इनके कार्य के लिए नॉन स्टॉप 24/7 कार्य करती हैं. At the same time, during the pandemic, इन्होंने इतना सारा सेवा का कार्य किया. मैं तो अपने घर में आराम कर रही थी, मतलब घर से शोज कर रही थी, लेकिन ये स्ट्रीट्स पर जाकर इतना इन्होंने सेवा का कार्य किया है. Ladies and gentlemen, may we please dance together for our recipient and give it up for Usha Bajpai ji.
Thank you, Simran. Yeah. Let Shobha ji come. I want to ask her one question. Shobha ji, thank you so much. मैं तो बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद आपका जो आपने मुझे याद किया. I am so grateful to you. ऐसे सिचुएशन में everybody is there and आप सबको बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद, बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं. And let me speak in हिंदी. मैं एक क्वेश्चन पूछना चाहूँगी शोभा जी से. शोभा जी, आपने वाव के ऊपर वो जो फूल लगाया है, वो इंस्पिरेशन कहाँ से आया?
वो इंस्पिरेशन मुझे इंट्यूटिवली आया,
अच्छा.
because I am a disciple of लक्ष्मी माता, तो मैं वैभव लक्ष्मी का बहुत व्रत करती हूँ.
अच्छा.
लोटस इज माय फेवरेट, तो उससे आई वो.
आजकल लोटस सबको फेवरेट है, इसीलिए मैंने ये पूछा. थैंक यू सो मच ऑल ऑफ यू. आप सबको बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद. आगे बढ़ते रहिए, अच्छा काम करते रहिए, समाज में आगे बढ़िए, लोगों को आगे बढ़ाइए. आई थिंक दिस द बेस्ट थिंग व्हाट वी कैन डू. इट्स सो यू गेट सच अ गुड pleasure while helping some people. That's what I'm doing, you know. So I like that. It's my passion also. Thank you so much. और आपके हाथ से मिलता हुआ ये, I'm so much grateful. Thank you so much.
बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया उषा जी. Thank you so much, Usha ji. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, presenting our prestigious, for the photograph please, Wow Pride of India Excellence Award 2K24 to Usha Bajpai ji. One more time, let's give it up for the wow personality. Ladies and gentlemen, let's continue the applause and the celebration as we like to present our prestigious award to the recipient of the Central Government Sangeet Natak Academy Awardee. And as they always say, that one lifetime is not enough to master the art of any single Indian classical dance style. It's time for us, ladies and gentlemen, to put our hands together for the brilliant, internationally renowned performer, Rajashri Shirke. Ladies and gentlemen, Rajashri Shirke ji has not only rooted herself deep into the soil of Kathak, she also endeavors.
Simran, I just
Sure.
I must thank my husband, you know, Mr. Bajpai, who is sitting here. घर जाके मुझे शांति चाहिए.
मैम, मैं आपको शांति नहीं, मैं आपको हनीमून दूंगी. मिस्टर बाजपेयी जी, आप प्लीज मंच पर आ जाएं. ठीक है, आप शांति क्या एंजॉय कीजिए. No, No, sir, please. Sir, please, sir, please. Sir, ma'am ने इतना आपको याद किया प्यार से. We can't keep you away. Am I right, Dr. Lata ji? We shouldn't keep them away. इसलिए मैंने कहा honeymoon celebrate कीजिए. हाँ ना विवेक जी? Why शांति? We don't want शांति. We want fun. सर एक सर निकालिए ना फोटोज नॉन स्टॉप. सर नजदीक आइए ना सर, आपकी बीवी है. हाँ मैंने याद दिलाया. हम स्टेज पे बट सो काइंड. सॉरी उषा जी, जस्ट किडिंग, बट थैंक यू सो मच. थैंक यू मैम, थैंक यू सर. बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया. लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन, सॉरी मैम, सॉरी. हमने कंटिन्यू. आप सेंटर में आ जाए मैम फॉर योर अवार्ड. लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन, Rajashri Shirkeji, who explores new horizons and captures the unseen pulse of delight and exuberating joy in Indian classical dance through the technique and the nuance of the Kathak dance style. Today, Rajashri Shirkeji is a respected guru, an acclaimed academician, a famed creative choreographer, a gifted writer, an awarded actor, and performer par excellence. Ladies and gentlemen, she is the founder, director and the principal of the Lasya Center of Dance Education and Research, an institute which conducts university certified diploma courses in the Indian classical dance style Kathak. स्वागत है आपका दिल से. बहुत मन कर रहा होगा ना कि आज भी कुछ दिखाऊं. एक तो हम देखें, हाँ ना, बहुत मन कर रहा होगा ना. प्लीज आपसे दो शब्द चाहेंगे. मीनवाइल उषा जी मैम आएंगे तो हम शोभा जी उसके बाद.
बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल शोभा जी के लिए ये शब्द खास करके है कि इस तरह का काम कंटिन्यूसली करते रहना, और जो इतने डिग्निटरी मंच पर है उनके बारे में तो सिमरन तो very enthusiastic you are and you are making everybody to enjoy the situation. Also we are here. शोभा जी, कैसे आपका आभार व्यक्त करूं, मुझे नहीं मालूम. सच्ची बोल रही मैं, मुझे लता ने बताया, I was so happy that I am going to be part of this function, and lovely audience, all of you are here to celebrate this award function, and we are fortunate that we are getting this award. Thank you very much. Thank you, Lata. Thank you. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, may we open your hands together. Please, ladies and gentlemen, let's give it up as we present the prestigious Wow Pride of India Excellence Award to Rajashri Shirkeji. Ladies and gentlemen, मंच पर हमारे गुरु ऑफ भरतनाट्यम हैं डॉक्टर लता जी, गुरु ऑफ कथक हैं आप, और ऑफ कोर्स बॉलरूम वहीं पे ही हैं. बॉलरूम करते करते जा रहे हैं. सारे उनके फैंस हैं उनके साथ. What a beautiful moment this is. Thank you so much मैम. बहुत बहुत बधाई हो मैम. आपके सारे फोटो ऑप्स हो गए अलग अलग, मतलब
आज फ्लाइट में दिल्ली से आई डायरेक्टली चेंज करके आ गई.
अच्छा. ओ वाओ, फ्लाइट टाइम पे थी मैम. इधर तो बेटर वेदर है. थैंक यू मैम, थैंक यू, शुक्रिया. Hands together as one more time we have a brilliant performer. Ladies and gentlemen, may we please welcome our distinguished Kathak dance artist, performer, educator and scholar with 4 years, 4 decades, ladies and gentlemen, 40-year career which is marked by the visionary dance education nurturing over many students worldwide. Many of her disciples are successful performers and teachers, a choreographer, performer, curator. She's known for her productions, performances and presentations bridging traditional and current times. Ladies and gentlemen, may we all put our hands together for the very popular Sheila Mehta. Sheila Mehta ji, बहुत बहुत खूबसूरत लग रहे हैं. The lady in pink. Ladies and gentlemen, Sheila Mehta ji's impact in the field of Kathak is substantial, making her, center में आ जाए मैम प्लीज, बहुत सुंदर दिख रहे हैं. Ladies and gentlemen, making her a respected mentor, celebrated artist and cultural advocate. Her impact is all encompassing and is evidenced in the range of esteemed forums in which she has been felicitated as a performer, educator, researcher, and organizations through which she has received esteemed honors. Ladies and gentlemen, tonight and this evening, we present the Wow Pride of India Excellence Award to Sheila Mehta ji. And Shobha ji is here, so we'll first like to present it to you before we request you to speak a few words. Everybody make some noise. My name is... Everybody, come on, cheer. Wow, ये शीला जी. इतना पॉपुलर सॉन्ग है इनके नाम पे. हाँ ना शीला जी? Of course. Yes, absolutely. So bright. शीला जी आपके हो गए ना फोटो अब सारे? नहीं मैम, मैं मतलब उनका परफॉर्मेंस देखेंगे, गाना क्यों होगा? नॉट एट ऑल, नॉट एट ऑल. कुछ मुद्रास देखेंगे कथक के, बट नॉट एट ऑल. या ऑब्वियसली, या that's why I said we have better, the better content, inner beauty to be reflected outside. Can we please have a few words from me? Ladies and gentlemen, everyone, let's give it up for Sheila Mehta ji.
Thank you, Simran. You are gorgeous and you are really holding this event so well. Thank you for doing that. Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Namaskar. It's truly an honor to receive this award, and I know everybody knew Shobha ji, but I didn't know about Shobha ji. I've heard about this award. So when I got the news that I'm receiving, I was really thrilled, and absolutely. And my heartfelt thanks to the entire WOW team, and especially Shobha ji, for this honor, for recognizing my work. I would also like to, my special thanks to my love, my guide, my friend, and my husband, Mr. Sunil Mehta, without whom I am nothing. Thank you, Sunil. Dance has been, when I asked Shobha ji said, तो एक मिनट ही बोलना है, ऐसा कुछ बात हो रही थी. So I said, okay, but I will like to say one thing. I will not leave this opportunity. Of course, dance has been always been my medium to connect with myself, to that silence within, always. Of course, that is still unexplored, and my journey still continues through dance to know that unknown. And you know, practicing these dance forms, I'm talking about classical Indian dance forms, are like never-ending journey of seeking something that finds a purpose to connect something more and more every time, and deeper at every stage to reach the state of pure joy and to have the first-hand experience of our true nature. That is formless awareness and consciousness. Why I'm saying this? I'm not trying to be too philosophical, but I will definitely like to make a point here about our classical dance form, of which I'm so proud. I'm so proud of our Indian traditions. And I think, or rather I would say that this is actually the main purpose, one of the main purpose of practicing classical Indian dance arts. They are designed not only to entertain, but to educate and enlighten. And in a way, you bring this peace and harmony within it. It's a very different, nice, one can always strike a beautiful balance between work life and the life which is happening within. And that brings inner joy, happiness through dance. Why? And that is what which we need today. We need today where we need, because as we know the technology is so, it has made our life very convenient. But somewhere we also see the rapid, the growth of the challenges which are like, I was reading somewhere that UN talks about like 300 million people, they will need humanitarian aids. I know, I'll just stop it. WHO is talking about 280 million people suffering from the depression. And this And there is another new pandemic which is coming, which is a pandemic of loneliness. Yeah. So somewhere we need to relook into. We really need to relook into, and we need to see. Sometimes we are disconnected with our true self. Well, I'll not make it this evening too serious with my notes, but I really wanted to say only one thing, that our classical dance forms are extremely rich in content, and there are the multiple layers of transcendence, humanity, and the sense of inclusiveness. So I thank Shobhaji, and these are the platforms. These are the platforms who are working towards this beautiful cause. Big round of applause for the Shobhaji and for this platform. And thank you for hearing me. Thank you, Sanjay.
Thanks to you, Sheila Mehta ji. बहुत shukriya. Ladies and gentlemen, since Sheila ji has spoken about technology, of course we all love the world of AI. And we all give it up only to our friends from the media for making it possible for all of us to shine bright. Let's please put hands together and acknowledge the presence of Picture and Craft, the numero uno media house. Parul Chawla, स्वागत है आपका दिल से. And look at her polka dot today. Look, she's tired, but her polka dots is making her look fresh. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for joining us, ma'am. Ladies and gentlemen, please join us in welcoming and congratulating our distinguished dignitary, our recipient of the WOW Pride of India Excellence Award. And give it up for Madhumita Chakraborty, the esteemed founder of Nritya Vishaka Institute, has been honored with the prestigious Maharashtra Gaurav Award at an event hosted by Midday. Recognized for her exemplary contribution to the world of dance, she stands as a symbol of talent, perseverance, and artistic brilliance. May we please stand together for yet another very bright, and of course I love the beautiful saris that all of you are wearing, the bright saris. Madhumita Chakraborty, ladies and gentlemen, just like unka naam, Madhu, which means absolutely sweet, unka dance bhi usi tarah bahut sweet hai. It's time for us to truly give it up for yet another brilliant guru from our Indian classical dance, who has over 3 decades of experience and has dedicated herself to excellence in dance, specializing in classical and folk forms. Her expertise has earned her acclaim as a choreographer, a reality show winner, performer in numerous albums. Speaking about her production, ladies and gentlemen, she expressed her excitement and gratitude for the opportunity to bring Chitrangada to life. Ladies and gentlemen, she envisions this project as a testament to Tagore's enduring legacy and a celebration of artistic expression. May we please put our hands together for Madhumita Chakraborty, the recipient of the prestigious WOW Pride of India Excellence Awards 2K24. Ladies and gentlemen, with more than 2,000 shows internationally and nationally, she's always mesmerized her audiences. May we please have the pleasure and the most beautiful smile. बिल्कुल मधु की तरह आपकी मुस्कुराहट है. May we please have the pleasure of getting to hear from you. And congratulations.
Thank you. Good evening, my beautiful audience today. First of all, I would like to thank Shobhaji. I'm honored to be here. And after hearing that I'm getting this award, it was really a beautiful moment for me. And thank you that I'm standing with such big dignitaries today. Thank you everyone. And I would just talk about my Chitrangada. This is the first Hindi play ever in Tagore, the story of women power. I feel if any time I would like to invite when the show is in Bombay, please do come and watch this show. And I would tell you that Sandeep sir is playing Arjun in that show. And it's a beautiful musical dance drama, a fusion of different dance forms. Dance is breathe. Thank you so much. I'm obliged and full in gratitude. Thank you.
Thank you so much. It's beautiful and it's so very special. Thank you for bringing that beautiful knowledge and warmth to us. Once again, most important, photo op, please. Rhythm, why are you behind? Sabka rhythm bana rahe ho aap, abhi bhi. Shobhaji, can I request you to be in the center, close to Vivek ji, please? Everyone, please. Ladies and gentlemen, maybe all put your hands together for our living legends, our distinguished dignitaries here with us on stage. आप स्क्रीन कर सकते हो आपके हाथ में मोबाइल फोन से. Make some noise, everybody. I appreciate it so much. Thank you for your smiles, for your cheer. The cheer only keeps us, and of course gives us a reminder that life is a celebration. Please make sure we allow ourselves to enjoy every breath of our life. Thank you so much to our living legends. Humble thanks to our distinguished dignitaries. Thank you so much for joining us here. I'm going to please thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much. Thank you, love. I'm going to please, and I promise you, हमारे अब के awards back to back, it's going to be a little marathon, all right? But we're going to also be waiting for Usha Mangeshkar ji to come, doing the needful. So I'm going to put my hands together. आप सबके लिए मैं तालियां बजाना चाहूंगी. Thank you.
So the next act is Namaste everybody. Yeah, so the next act is Ghar Mode Pardesia.
Wow.
My favorite song to be
Beautiful. One of our favorites too when you perform. Thank you.
रघुकुल रीत सदा चली आई, प्राण जाए पर वचन न जाए।
Everybody,
What an incredible performance. Let's give it up one more time for Devesh Milchandani, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you so much. Wow. आज जुबान से सिर्फ वाह वाह भी कह रहे हैं हम. आ जाइए प्लीज हमारी वाह डॉक्टर लता सुरेंद्र जी to present our awards, please. My lovely team backstage, the beginning of our second set of awards, please. May we please dance, please, Lata ji. Ladies and gentlemen, may we please dance together as we have all our super achievers. At first, let me congratulate each and every one of you. You've truly put in tons of effort and faced all the challenges with solutions, and that is why you are a leader. With all the humbleness, we are here to applaud for you, to celebrate your success. May we all put our hands together as we congratulate Sameer and Saloni Malkani, the directors of FBAI, to kindly join us here. Heartfelt congratulations to Sameer and Saloni Malkani. Congratulations to both of you. Wow. The directors of FBAI, ladies and gentlemen. So amazing to have you here with us. Lataji, to kindly do the honors. Presenting, ladies and gentlemen. Pradeep, I just want to see you around. Huh? Don't go here and there. Yeah, we want to see you. Come on, you're always the backbone. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, presenting our prestigious, wow, Pride of India Excellence Award, and goes to Sameer and Saloni Malkani. A small sapling, a token of love. No, you have to speak for 30 seconds, please.
All right, thank you so much. First of all, you're looking gorgeous, and I love your sari. And thanks a lot, Shobha, for having us over here and awarding us. I think it's lovely to have a platform to be, where you are recognized for your work. And I see so many brilliant women over here. And I'm sure that, from what I've heard, everyone's doing so well and so talented. We are into the space of marketing, and I think it's like a wonderful place, where we can come and showcase our talent. Showcase that we are doing some work. Everybody is over here. And thanks a lot again, Shobha, for doing this.
Thank you so much. Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am. Congratulations. Ladies and gentlemen, maybe please come to the applause. I'm not sure if Tarun Khanna is here. Please, Tarun. Tarun Khanna has arrived. Ladies and gentlemen, maybe please come to the applause as we like to welcome Sunny Kamble. I'm going to read out your name again. I just want to make sure he's here. Ladies and gentlemen, let's put hands together as we present our prestigious, wow, Pride of India Excellence Award to our renowned actor, model, pageant, and ramp walk coach. Let's give it up for the one and only Sunny on the brighter side. Sunny Kamble, ladies and gentlemen, who truly brings the wow factor, the oomph factor in every model's life. By being the perfect coach on the ramp, ladies and gentlemen, the wow personality. Let's give it up for Sunny Kamble. Oh, we love the cheer. Make some noise. Let's celebrate this moment. Sunny, would you like to share a few words, a few tips with us on how to have that oomph factor?
Hi, Simran, you're doing such a wonderful job. And good evening, everyone. Thank you, ma'am, for presenting me the award. So, yes, I would wow, Pride of India. It's such an honor. Shobha, thank you so much for having me here. And thank you to my parents who have always sided me and with my career choices, whatever, whether it was modeling, acting. Right now, I'm a trainer as well for pageants. And of course, a big thank you to my wife, Kavita. Thank you so much for being a God-sent angel in my life. And have a wonderful, wonderful evening, everyone. Thank you so much, Shobha ji, again.
Keep shining and keeping bright, sunny on the brighter side. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, please join us in congratulating Anna Breadmeyer. Sorry, I'm just taking the names because I'm not sure if they're round. She said, ladies and gentlemen, it gives us a wow feeling to welcome our wow personality, the recipient of our prestigious, wow, Pride of India Excellence Award. And it goes to a model actor, pageant and ramp walk coach, Anna Bredmeyer. Huge round of applause, everybody. Let's celebrate this moment and congratulate Miss Anna Bredmeyer. Congratulations, and we love you, just like a senorita this evening. Wow. Heartfelt congratulations to Miss Anna Bredmeyer, ladies and gentlemen. Ladies and gentlemen, what a beautiful moment for us to have our super achiever, Miss Anna. Miss Anna, we'd like to hear a few words from you, please. At first, we just love you in every avatar of yours. You ace it in a very natural way.
Hi, good evening, everyone. It's an honor and a pleasure to be here. And I want to say thank you very much to Madam Shobha for honoring me. It's been a long journey. I started my career at the tender age of 14. And I've come a long way. It's been an interesting journey. And like Elton John says, I'm still standing. So here I am. Anyway, thank you very much for the honor. Thank you.
So kind. Thank you so much. Thank you, Miss Anna. That was very sweet. Ladies and gentlemen, to do the honors, I'm going to please welcome Rhythm Vagolikar to kindly join us center stage. May we please have Rhythm? And meanwhile, ladies and gentlemen, with me, no, one second. I want to just clarify something. Sorry, ladies and gentlemen, I did speak about, of course, our living legend, Dr. Lata Surendra ji, and not knowing, of course, and giving it a mention that she's completed a silver jubilee. But let me tell you, it's not the silver jubilee, it's the golden jubilee that she's completed by not just, of course, performing, but also teaching and giving this art form to the world. So thank you for this beautiful gift to the world that you've given us. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give it up for our living legend, Dr. Lata Surendra ji, for doing the honors of presenting our prestigious awards this evening. Thank you so much, ma'am. I'm going to escort you. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, she's the youngest, as I said. Rhythm, may I please request you to kindly join our center stage. Ladies and gentlemen, I can't see Rajiv Thakur, but he's on his way, so I'm not sure. Rajiv Thakur is here now. Ladies and gentlemen, may we please welcome Shweta Raikar. Ladies and gentlemen, presenting, oh wow, Pride of India Excellence Award, and it goes to Shweta Raikar as an ace astrologer, numerologist, and a Vastu consultant. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're looking forward to, of course, finding a solution to any hindrance in your life, then you know who to go to. Be it numerology, the world of planets, the astrological world, and the Vastu consultant. It's a huge honor as we like to congratulate Shweta Raikar. Thank you for the applause. Thank you. This is the most dashing side of mine. Thank you. Please join us in congratulating Upasna Singh for excellence in life coaching. Upasna Singh, the lady in red. Ooh la la la. Congratulations to Shweta Raikar once again. Carefully, ma'am. Thoda sa aaram se jana. Please don't be in a rush to step up and step down. Since most of us are in the beautiful and the most beautiful attire in the world, saris, feel free to take your time to step up and step down. Ladies and gentlemen, presenting Excellence in Life Coaching, the recipient of the prestigious WOW Pride of India Excellence Award, and it goes to Upasna Singh. Heartfelt congratulations to you, Ms. Upasna. Let's continue the applause and congratulate Zarna Sangvi in the field of modeling and a renowned influencer. Oh, we love what you're wearing. ओए होए जरना कुछ तो करके आओ, हम भी बिल्कुल हाईलाइट हो जाएं आपके वीडियो में. Let's give it up, ladies and gentlemen. We love what you're wearing. So stylish. Ladies and gentlemen, our renowned influencer and our model, Zarna Sangvi, presenting the WOW Pride of India Excellence Award to Zarna Sangvi. Make some reels out of this. And Zarna, what do you like to do to make a reel 5 seconds में? हो सकता है हम भी वायरल हो जाएं. क्या करें हम? So kind. क्या करें हम 5 सेकंड में हम वायरल हो जाएं, बताओ ना. चलो चलो boomerang guys, all the cams in hand. Yeah, okay. With the gift you can do with the gift. You can do show off with the gift. Rhythm, why are you going away? Come in between. He's like stepping behind. Chup-chap se. Yeah, yellow on black. I get blue can be in the center. It's okay. I love it. Okay, chalo. Yeah. Let's do anything. Yeah, and just the thumka because hands are full. That's why thumka. Dr. Lataji can't help it. Hands are empty. Still, she wants a thumka. Ready? 5. We just say 1, 2, and 3, and let's go boomerang. 1, 2, 3. Woo! Check her out, ladies and gentlemen. Zarna, let's give it up for her. 5 seconds only we have. Thank you, Zarna. Thank you for that. Ladies and gentlemen, please allow us to welcome and congratulate Dr. Nidhi Gupta, an award-winning physiotherapist, wellness coach, and edupreneur. Oi, hoi. Wow. I didn't know you were a stylist too. It doesn't say here. Are you one? Natural at it. Wow. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together as we present the WOW Pride of India Excellence Award to our award-winning physiotherapist, wellness coach, and edupreneur. We all know today is also the Wellness Day, ladies and gentlemen. Today is the 12th of June. It's the Wellness Day, and of course, the 21st of June is the International Yoga Day, where the theme this time is women empowerment. And here we have our physiotherapist, wellness coach, and edupreneur, Dr. Nidhi Gupta. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give it up for a multifaceted spiritual coach, Bhumika Modi. Please, Avi Jao. I love the Gujarati sari. I feel like doing Garba only here. Please, Avi Jao, Bhumika. Ladies and gentlemen, heartfelt congratulations as we present the WOW Pride of India Excellence Award. Let me tell you, they are truly, every soul who's coming here is truly the pride of India, and we are proud of you. Oh my God. So let's do Garba only actually. Bilkul form mein aa gaye. Please avi jao. Yes. Ramwanu che mane. Mummy, your mama? Yes, please avi jao. Please avi jao. Garba karwane mate avi jao. Ramwane mate. Sorry. Rhythm was waiting for some Garba to happen, some Garba rhythm to come. And he was waiting for Mama also to come. Not possible. We will do a step, don't worry. Garba is like, yeah, I've been like 18 times Garba queen. Yeah, I'm the only one for 18 titles in India and America. She remembers. Wow, I didn't know this. Okay. Please, Avi Jao, Kevsha Tame, Jai Shri Krishna. First accept the award, then we'll do Garba music. कुछ लगा सकते हैं तो लगाओ. मेरा गाना भी लगा सकते हैं. Oh, really? Garba music. Guys, wherever you sitting, सब खड़े होके गरबा नाचेंगे, okay? 30 seconds reel बनाएंगे. एक second. Ladies and gentlemen, let's congratulate the one and only Bhumika Modi, and congratulate and present the WOW Pride of India Excellence Award to Bhumika Modi. Music.
जो गाता रहा, जब भी गाता रहा रंगीला तारा रंग दे विचे तारी वाट रे शोभा तारा चोटीला तारा
Thank you so much. Shobhaji, no one wants to stop. No one wants to stop. अभी इतने हमारे एस परफॉर्मर्स हैं और गरबा और हम ना नाचे. हाय हाय हाय. Thank you.
She converted me into a Garba queen.
You are, of course. Thank you. बहु मजा आवेगी, बहु मजा आवेगी. Guys, this is how we carry the beautiful folk dance, and now, of course, a part of the UNESCO inclusion. So beautiful. बहु मजा आवेगी. Jai Shri Krishna. Thank you. All right, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you. Thank you so much for doing the honors. Rhythm is like busy laughing. Like what is going on? ये गरबा कहाँ से आ गया यहाँ पे? सब कुछ चलता है. Ladies and gentlemen, to do the honors, may I please request Usha ji. I forgot Usha ji तो क्या गरबा करते हैं जू बीच पर? हाँ, आ जाए. नहीं गरबा के लिए नहीं, to present the awards. Ladies and gentlemen, may we please congratulate Dr. Nikhil Tari as India's #1 bodybuilding and fitness consultant. Dr. Nikhil Tari. Heartfelt congratulations to Anand Kulkarni, India's first visually impaired producer and director. Anand Kulkarni. Hi Anand. Come. आनंद ने सबके लिए तालियां बजाई है जब से आए हैं. Am I right, Anand? I could see you. सबके लिए तालियां बजाते. Everybody, come on. Let's cheer for Anand. Wow, everybody. Anand, so happy to have you here with us. हमेशा आनंद में रहते हैं. आप प्लीज आ जाएं. Can we have the award, ladies, for Anand Kulkarni, please? India's first visually impaired प्रोड्यूसर एंड डायरेक्टर. आपको कैसे पता चल रहा है? आप खुद ही चले गए सेंटर में, तो you could understand. Wow, beautiful, ladies and gentlemen. Let's give it up for Anand Kulkarni, everybody. Isn't it unbelievable? How does he produce and direct? मतलब देखते कहाँ से हैं? सोल से देखते हैं. We always talk about the third eye, the inner eye. Wow, that's beautiful. आनंद पहले तो poses दे दो बहुत सारे. Like, just take one hand up, one hand down. Just imagine. Yeah. Just the way you direct, no? I'm not directing you, but I'm just requesting you. Oh, so kind. Ladies and gentlemen, it is unbelievable. He's India's first visually impaired producer and director. How does it happen, yaar? हमारे पास सब कुछ है, we still can't do it. How does it happen? So you finished your pose, so I'm gonna hold this for you, and I want you to speak to us. Inspire us a little. Come on.
Given the achievement of everybody here, I feel like a panda under a banyan tree, doing my stuff. It's great to be here, and this award is for everybody who supported me. I did do a lot of films. I did produce for Fox, for Channel 8. We brought Europe to India, taken India to Europe. We've done commercial films, got some awards. So it's fun. It's absolutely fun, and I fell in love with filmmaking when I was in college, and the affair has continued, and that's what I do.
I love the affair. मेरा कोई chance नहीं है to have an affair with Anand. Thank you. His affair is already with work. Thank you so much, Anand. Ladies and gentlemen, let's please give him a round of applause. With it, please help us. Anand Kulkarni, please. Thank you, Anand. यार इसे सब खुद ही पता चल जाता है यार. He does everything on his own. Wow, we're proud of you, Anand. You're truly the pride of our nation, Anand Kulkarni, ladies and gentlemen. No, you don't have to go, Ushaji. Be with me. Ladies and gentlemen, may we please congratulate Nilesh Auti. Nilesh, we're going to perform. We're going to have you. No, later. After this. After two more. Ladies and gentlemen, may we please congratulate Pinky Punjabi, our psychic healer, spiritual coach, and root worker. Pinky Punjabi is here. Pinky ji. Ladies and gentlemen, may we please congratulate. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together. On behalf of Pinky Punjabi, we have Dr. Muralidharan. who's here with us. Thank you, Muralidharan, for joining us here. And you are her. Sorry? Husband. Thank God. मुझे डर लग रहा था आज the wrong question. मैंने कहा boyfriend है तो बताएगा नहीं पर मुझे जरूर पीटेगा. Thank God, ladies and gentlemen. Let me feel pride and say, Pinky Punjabi's husband is here to receive the award. That's a huge honor. उनके husband के लिए जोरदार तालियां. This is so sweet and kind of him. Thank you, yeah. Thank you for joining us. I said different surnames. My dil was going duck duck. Wrong question, but the perfect question. Let's give it up. Okay, guys. Pinky Punjabi. Guys, girls, तुम लोग यहाँ पे मत देखो. लड़का है वो. उनके husband है. Don't worry. Safe है. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give it up as we present the Wow Pride of India Excellence Award, and it goes to Pinky Punjabi and Mr. Muralidharan. I love that. Pinky Punjabi is a psychic healer, spiritual coach and root worker. Sir, वो psychic healer है तो उन्होंने आपको इसलिए भेजा है पूरा, you know, psychic frame करके. Collect this on my behalf. He'll say अब पिंकी को हैंडल कर रहा था, अब इतने सारे गिफ्ट्स भी हैं.
Alright, sorry she's not able to be here. She has some leg issues, so I am collecting her award on behalf of her. And this is the second consecutive time that I am picking this award. Actually.
So sweet of you, yeah.
And thank you Shobhaji for having me here as well.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
No, don't get scared. मैं इसके लिए इनके सामने आई कि ऐसा हस्बैंड सबको मिले कि वाइफ के अवार्ड लेने हमेशा जाए. Thank you so much. That's very special. Sorry, I was just kidding, but congratulations to Pinky and yourself as well. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, Ushaji, the last one. Yeah. Please put your hands together as we like to congratulate Dr. Manshi Bigmarme. Congratulations to Dr. Manshi Bigmarme. Presenting the Wow Pride of India Excellence Award, and it goes to the multifaceted spiritual coach and healer, Dr. Manshi Bigmarme. I'm just loving the beautiful saris. I don't know, Shobhaji, is the dress code saris today?
Yes.
Oh, I'm the only one who didn't know. Wow, thank you. Sorry, I came from Chicago, so I didn't know.
Simran, I like your sari.
I love you, Dr. Lataji. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for Dr. Manshi Virangama. Heartfelt congratulations to Dr. Manshi Virangama as we present the Wow Pride of India Excellence Award for the multifaceted spiritual coach and healer. बहुत बहुत बधाई और बहुत खूबसूरत दिख रहे हैं आप. You can just look ahead. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, so kind, ma'am. Thank you so much. Thank you, love. Yeah, of course. Thank you, ma'am. Manshi ji, माफी चाहूंगी आपकी सरनेम गलत प्रोनाउंस की. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you. Can someone help? नहीं? You can handle. Sari also, this also. Wow. I need to learn from you all. सीटी बजाते हैं. And let's give it up. This is an outstanding performance coming your way by Nilesh Auti. Ladies and gentlemen, let me tell you, he's the one of the very, very renowned male lovely dancers. और आप जब नाचते हैं ना, तो लड़कियां सीटी बजाती है. Come on, ladies and gentlemen, let's enjoy this performance before we move ahead to our next set of awards. Thank you. बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया. नीलेश के लिए कुछ तालियां हो जाए, कुछ मस्ती हो जाए, और मैं चाहूंगी आप जो भी बैठे हैं सब खड़े हो जाए ना. I want everyone to dance. Everybody dance. हाँ, खड़े हो जाए. सारे जेंट्स खड़े हो रहे हैं. I like that. जेंट्स को मजा आ रहा है. लेकिन चुपचाप बैठे. इतने सारे लेडीज हैं यहाँ पे, आपकी बोलती बंद है. सर अभी नाचिए कम से कम. Everybody stand. रिदम मिलके मेरे पीछे क्यों? Everybody. ओए ओए. यार मुंबई लेडीज नेक्स्ट टाइम हम सीख के आएंगे सीधी. सुनाई नहीं दे रहा? एवरीबॉडी कम ऑन. कोशिश कर रहे हैं छोटी छोटी सीधी. Ladies and gentlemen, फिलहाल तो मेरी जान जा रही है. Who was that? कहाँ पे थे? सोनिया. यार सोनिया, सब आपके लिए सीटी बजाते हैं. ऐसी सीटी आप बजाएंगे तो सब लोग कहाँ जाएंगे यार. यार ऊपर से नीचे तो शी इज एब्सोल्यूट ravishing queen. Ladies and gentlemen, फिलहाल तो मेरी जान जा रही है. Because this is a very special moment, as I'm so delighted and overwhelmed. Actually, he's changed his hairstyle और मैंने बिल्कुल पहचाना ही नहीं that he's here. And I'm so happy and amazed, ladies and gentlemen, that we have carrying the legacy forward of music is our numero uno singer, ladies and gentlemen.